Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's gonna help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video.
What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to a video. I know it has actually been a few weeks since I have made one of these, and I've been doing a lot behind the scenes, doing a lot, getting ready to go on another vacation. So yes, I'm still trading, I'm still making money, and still enjoying life. But things have just been a little bit differently here. I'm not going to lie to you guys, I have not been trading options. As you guys can see, I have futures on my hands. Yes, I've traded a few little options plays, not risking much, but my main source of income, other than dividends as my passive income, which everybody knows I'm big on PTY, PEY, and a couple of others. I've made videos of those in the past couple of months. But this is what I've been doing. And again, if you know my strategy for day trading, this is what I'm doing. I'm just taking it to futures, and I've got a video, I'll link it below, where I take a $1,000 account. I think I turn it into like $2,300 or $2,500 in under a week, or just, yeah, I think it's exactly a week. I think it's like 4.5 days, and yeah, it's great. But what I want to talk about here is why I'm mainly trading futures rather than going and trading options. So futures are super liquid, and what I mean by liquid, if you don't know what that means, is I can get out of it very easily with minimum slippage. Meaning if I market sell these, and you guys can see I have multiple different time frames up here, and you guys know I like the 30-minute. I'm not a huge fan of the 5-minute, but I do use it. And then I have a 4-hour chart, and a lot of times I have the daily. And what you guys will notice, this is ES. This will also mimic SPY, which a lot of people like, or SPX. Now, when I'm doing this is, yes, I like to have multiple time frames up. I have my indicators up and stuff like that. You guys know what my strategies are and how I use those and all those kind of things. But why I'm using futures is $12.50 per move. So if this thing moves up or down one tick, and it goes in 25-cent ticks. So you see right now we're at 38.96.75 here. On this one, you can see the red number. If this moves up to 38.97, which is 25 cents, I make $12.50. If it moves down, I lose $12.50 unless I short it. And you guys can short these very easily. It will take margin. If you don't use TD Ameritrade, I use TD Ameritrade strictly to chart when it comes down to these when I had my smaller account. Now again, I have my bigger account through TD Ameritrade. I will absolutely trade futures through TD Ameritrade. But Ninja Trader, if you guys haven't ever used them, or want to get into futures, you can start with a micro. So if you look at /ES here, let's just move this /MES, which is the micro. You're going to see a micro here, and I'm just going to click enter. And it's the same thing. We'll move this to a 5-minute, and you're going to see that the chart is very similar if I zoom out. And why is that? It's the same thing as the top left chart as the bottom left chart. It's just on a different scale. So you're going to make a little bit less per click, and you're risking a little less per click here. When I say click, it's per 25 cents. And you can short both of these, and you can go long on both of these. Again, it really just depends on what my strategy is telling me and how we play that. But again, I recommend, if you guys want to learn how to trade and don't have to have the PDT rule, which I do agree that PDT rule is a necessary evil sometimes, but having this allows you to trade unlimitedly as long as you have the money in your account. There's no PDT rule. You can instantly use the same cash you just did, and you can make a lot more, and you can grow a very small account very quickly. And you can make a living doing this if you're accurate. Now, if you're not accurate, and most new traders are not, then you need to practice, you need to paper trade, you need to do on-demand, things like that, in order to get yourself to where you can. Now, there are a bunch more futures out there. If you Google them, they'll pop right up. You can trade oil, crude oil, all of these different things in the commodities world for futures. I don't do that. I stick to /ES, as you can see is highlighted up here, and that's what I stick to. Now, I absolutely love this. If you guys want to learn how to trade this and learn my exact strategy, you guys are always welcome to leave a comment. I will get in contact with you guys. Yes, I give you guys my personal phone number, and I'm only going to take a few people to actually learn how to do this. We've been doing this for quite a while. I haven't accepted a new student in a while, but I feel like if we're going to actually do this, I want you guys to do it the right way and actually learn. So let me know if you guys have any questions about this. Definitely do your research, dig more into it. If you guys want more videos on futures and explaining how all of this works here, definitely send me a message or leave a comment, and I will get back to you. Thank you guys, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon.